Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and you guys know what this pink bag means. It means the Ipsy's here, and look at how fat that is right there. Ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Well, let's open it up and see, shall we? So for those of you that may not be familiar, woo, that's bright. Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month. They give you 5 sample-sized products, makeup products, beauty products, every month, and a bag. So this is the bag for this month. It's a little loud for me, but it feels fun. It's not a bag that I would normally carry. This one might be gifted to my daughter. I do like that the inside is colored, and it is bright as all bright can be. So I'm going to take out all 5 of my products, and the bag is like, it feels like it's waterproof. I wonder if it is. I really like this honeycomb stitching stuff. I don't know what it is, but it's kind of cool. I'm wondering if this whole thing is waterproof. That's interesting. Or maybe not waterproof, but water resistant or whatever, because it would surely get into the zipper, but I don't know. It's cool. It's not my colors for sure, and it is bright, bright, bright. So fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skin care routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, 5 personalized pics, and the articles on Ipsy.com were designed to keep you game-faced and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candace Huffine of Day/1, an empowering activewear line to express that everybody and everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank on the flip side of this card, post it on social, and tag hashtag Ipsy and hashtag Ipsy Gameface. Make sure to cheer on other Ipsters too. Let's reach our goals together. P.S. Looking for even more beauty fuel? Head to Ipsy Shopper to load up on your faves and get 10 to 30% cash back on everything you buy. So pretty cool. So let's see. The first thing I have is Raisin and Cream Long Lasting Creamy Lip Stain. This says Sierra Shine Botanicals. Serafine, I guess. I don't know. Not for retail sale. And this is Raisin and Cream, which it does not seem like it would be my color. If it's this color, that is just not a Tammy color. But let's see what we have. You never know until you try. And sometimes they aren't sample sizes. I mean, this looks like a full-size lipstick. And it looks nice, and you can raise it up. Actually, that looks way prettier. Wow, that may be my color. Or I can maybe wear that. I was hoping it wasn't this purple. That was kind of scary, but this one I really like really like that. I think I could pull that off. Now this one is called DLS, Dirty Little Secret. I have no idea what it is. Eyeshadow, okay. Ooh wee. Oh, you don't twist it off, you pop the top. Yeah, this does not look like me either. Holy cow. But again, you never know until you try. Oh, it's way browner, so it's not as bright like pink on as it looked in the bottle. I still don't know that it's my color. I'm not a brown person. I like the black and gray myself. So this is probably not my color. I might try it, but I will probably gift it to my daughter. So I'll leave it in the little box because it's cute. Let me get out a wipe. My wipe was already dirty because I I don't reuse them. Well, I guess sometimes I do reuse them. I don't want to say that, but I do cut them so that I don't waste a whole wipe on something I don't need. I'm very weird like that. I don't know why. Styling cream. Ooh, for flexible hold. This is argan oil and shea. Now that looks nice. It's moisture rich. Apply evenly to damp hair. Comb through. Dry naturally or style with a blow dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and smell this. Doesn't have much of a smell. It's very creamy. I don't know. I'm going to just put it in my hair now. My hair is so like dry that a little bit of this won't hurt it. I mean, it's not dry, but it's not oily, I guess. So there we go. And this, what is this? Microfacial exfoliating mask. I do get a lot of masks from them. And I don't mind because I like masks, but I'm kind of getting a little overload. I'm not going to open this one yet. I need to start using them more consistently. Multi-brightening, complex, instantly restores dull, lackluster looking skin to luminous and radiant. Mask onto damp skin in a circular motion and leave on for 12 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. 12 minutes, that's funny. Not 10 to 15, but 12 minutes. I'll leave it on until I want to take it off, and then I'll take it off. That's how I do it. So one last thing. This is Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. And it says, ooh, look how cool this is. So this must be a highlighter. Offense Highlighter Shimmer Eyeshadow. Okay. I'll take it. I love these kind of packaging. We do get stuff, I don't know if it's the same company. This is by the Balm Cosmetics, but we do get stuff that's packaged kind of like this sometimes, and I just always like it because I think it's fun packaging. So let's see here. Oh, it's very light. I don't know that I would use it as eyeshadow, but I think I could probably use it as a highlighter if I knew how to highlight, but I don't care. I still do it anyway. So yeah, all in all, I think that I did pretty well in this box. I like all of it. The eyeshadow is probably not my color. Actually, I'm almost certain it is not my color, but the lipstick, actually, I still can't get over this color of the actual packaging because that makes me go, no, 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 no. But the actual lipstick or lip gloss, the lip stain, excuse me, was nice. This is not my color, but these four I know I will use. And then the bag is a little loud for me because I am just not like that. But I like the bag. I think it's really cool, and I love how it's like cushy and it feels neat. But yeah, this is definitely not my cup of tea, but I can appreciate it. And yeah, that's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys have a great day. If you guys are interested in signing up for Ipsy, just go to Ipsy.com and it should walk you through how to do it. You know, I'm not sponsored or anything, and I don't have a code or any of that, but it's just $10 a month, and I really enjoy it. So hope you guys do too. Bye-bye.